Founded in Britain in 1924, Belstaff specialises in outerwear for exploration, aviation and motorsport. Today, its brand is known around the world. In October 2017, the company, registered in Germany, was acquired by INEOS from JAB Luxury, bringing this iconic brand back under British ownership.
12 o'clock was the new ownership took place. Today was day one, and I think it's a start line, a new start line for Belstaff under INEOS ownerships. And I think there's very clearly a roadmap ahead and a path ahead, a massive opportunity.
Following the acquisition, the two companies met at an away day to begin planning for the future.
The absolute level of engagement from everybody, it's been non-stop talking. There's not been a single second when I as chairman have had to say what we're going to talk about next. Fantastic level of energy going in, real ambition for the brand, real excitement.
We can't do this in a day, but where we want to finish up in 3 to 6 months is we want a 5-year roadmap. We want to know where we want to take the brand and how are we going to get there.
There's no right wrong in this business. It's about conviction. You can do research, you can do data. At the end of the day, it's a clarity, it's conviction, and then you go. And I think that comes from challenging discussions, which we had today.
There is the potential to be very successful. You know, they sell for 3 times sales. If we ever get it to $1 billion of sales, it's worth $3 billion.
Continuing in this non-core acquisition trend, in November INEOS acquired Swiss football club Lausanne Sport. The acquisition is in line with INEOS's sporting culture and investment in youth sports around the globe.
To buy a professional football club sounds a little bizarre, but it's been a great day here today for INEOS to have had the press conference and announced the acquisition of Lausanne Sport by INEOS.
INEOS believes that Lausanne Sport has the potential to make it to the top of the Swiss league and has set out its ambition of qualifying for European football.
What we really like about Lausanne Sport is that they really have been focusing on youth and development of the youth players, building on that concept and actually turning into a pretty successful professional team, which is now 6th in the Swiss Super League. We're very optimistic that with the new plans that we have here, we can deliver European football for Lausanne in the next 3 to 4 years.